It's a new 2018 Chrysler 300. It's exceptional in every way, from its aggressive exterior to its soft, luxurious interior. This 300 sets the standard for stunning. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, configurable instrument gauges, Uconnect web Wi-Fi hotspot, manual tilting steering column, automatic transmission, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and keyless enter and go. Edmunds.com finds the 300 boasts sleeker styling, a quieter interior, and more comfortable ride than it did in years past. Interior craftsmanship is second to none in its class, and the 300's myriad electronic features are not only advanced but also easy to use. Chrysler, where top-flight engineering meets affordable luxury. See what it can do for you when you take it for a test drive.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.